Hey guys, this is lesson 27, and let's go ahead and get started. So, the number system, and we're looking at number 1. So they're asking us to order debtors according to their debts from least to greatest. Okay, so if you look at our table here, we have Maya, Jordan, and Lila. And their account balance is negative $50 for Maya, negative $70 for Jordan, and negative $60 for Lila. And so if we want to order them from least to greatest, right, we first got to determine who has the most debt. And we could easily figure that out. And it's Jordan because obviously it's a negative value. It has a negative in front, right? And he has the greatest value. And so if we list them to least to greatest, the order is going to be Maya, Lila, and then Jordan. Okay? Since negative $50, that's the least debt. Okay, so try number 2 and 3. And let's move on to our next page. So, what is the absolute value of negative 5 over 8? Okay, so what is an absolute value? Well, an absolute value, right? An absolute value is a magnitude of a real number without regards to its sign. So what does that mean? Well, when we have an absolute value of x, that's going to be x, positive x. And if we have absolute value of negative x, we're still going to have just x. Why? Because we're disregarding the sign. Okay? And so, if we have an absolute value of 5 over 8 again, we don't care about the sign, right? So our absolute value of negative 5 over 8 is going to be 5 over 8. Positive 5 over 8. Okay? Let's look at number 3. Which of the following numbers has the least absolute value? Okay, so again, we got to find all the absolute values of the given number. So that the absolute value of negative 3 over 5 is 3 over 5. The absolute value of 5 over 3 is 5 over 3. Absolute value of negative 4 over 9 is 4 over 9. And then lastly, absolute value of 9 over 4 is 9 over 4. And so, C, it has the least absolute value. Okay? So that's it. Try the rest on your own. And let's move on. So graph comprehension. The graph. Oh, okay. So we're given the graph with some information, and let's look. So for number 1, they want us to find how many coins were collected in 2013. Okay, so we have the year, and then the y-axis represents the number of coins collected. Okay, so in the year 2013, which is here, how many coins were collected? 5 coins. Okay. How about number 3? Did the number of coins collected increase or decrease between 2012 and 2013? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the graph between 2012. Let me erase this real quick. So that's 2012 and then 2013. Okay, and always when we are when we want to identify if the graph is increasing or decreasing, it's always from left to right. Okay, we always look at it from the left to right. So, is it decreasing or increasing? It's going down, right? Therefore, it's decreasing. Or decreasing. Okay? Finish this page, and then let's move on to our last page. So, we're looking at number 1. And a dog weighs 5 pounds and 8 ounces, and a cat weighs 4 pounds and 10 ounces. How much do they weigh together? Okay, so we're trying to find the total weight of the dog and the cat. Okay, so we're given the information that the dog weighs 5 pounds and 8 ounces, and the cat weighs 4 pounds and 10 ounces. Okay, so if you add, so to find the total weight, right, we gotta just simply add them together, right? So if you add 5 pounds and 4 pounds, that's 9 pounds, okay. Then we add 8 ounces and 10 ounces, which is 18 ounces. Okay, so is that it? No, right? Because 18 ounces is what? 1 pound and 2 ounces. Right? Because since 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Okay? So if we add 9 and 1, that's 10 pounds, and we're left with 2 ounces. Okay? So that's it. Try the rest, finish the worksheet, and here is the answer key.